here. Now we are going to start a chemistry portion. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Here, the one word is here, that is pure. What is pure? Pure substance means pure. Here, a word is here, that is pure. What is the meaning of pure? Pure substance is written on the packs. Have you seen? Whatever the things you are using, on that it's there, it's written. Okay, so what we will know now, the pure substance. Pure means a substance consists on single type of particles. Single type of particles. If we will see, the scientists of all these things are actually mixture of the different substance. Whatever the things are present in the environment, that may contain the mixtures. The first thing, if we will discuss about the milk. Milk is actually mixture of water, fat, protein, etc. Okay, sometimes scientists say this everything is pure. How it is pure? In their language, it's mean that all the constituent particles of the substance that the same in chemical nature. That is same in chemical nature. In other words, we can say a substance is a pure. Substance is a pure form of matter. Pure form of matter. As we look around, we will see so many things are exist. It may pure or it may impure. Beta, if we will discuss about the air, air is also a mixture. Air is also a mixture of few gases like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. These so many gases, that is a mixture. That is a mixture of gases. Now question arises here, what is mixture? What is mixture? The mixture are constituted by two or more kind of pure form. Mixture are made up of, constituted means made up of by two or more one kind of pure forms of matter. We know very well as a sodium chloride. Sodium chloride know everyone? NaCl. NaCl means normal salt that we are eating. That is a can be separated from water. Can be separated from water by the physical processes. अब कैसे separate होता है बेटा? You know very well in sambar. The sambar, the salt is going to prepare. How? Excess of water is stay there. Excess of water stay there. In presence of sunlight, the water is evaporate and sodium chloride salt is there separated. Okay, the removal of water, that is known as evaporation. The removal of water is known as evaporation in presence of sunlight. Okay, now the few students will think, what is matter? Ma'am saying matter. What is matter? Beta, in small classes you have done. Matter has mass and occupy space. Matter has mass and occupy space. Suppose you kept one pencil on the table. Okay, that this pencil occupy this much space and has weight also there. So the pencil is also known as matter. The pencil is also known as matter. Suppose you are standing at some place. Okay, in particular place you occupy space. Okay, and you have weight also, so that we are also a matter. Okay, sodium chloride, that example I gave you already. Now mixture are of two type. One is homogeneous and the another one is heterogeneous. One is homogeneous and the another one of heterogeneous. There are two types of mixture are here. The one is homogeneous, the another one is heterogeneous. Homogeneous means same composition or hetero means different. Hetero word is a meaning means different composition. Okay, now in next slide I am going to explain the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Hetero beta I told you different. Hetero means I told you the different things are here. So heterogeneous non-uniform composition and homogeneous uniform distribution. Then here the two faces of the layer will be there. In there will be no layer. Components of the mixture can be seen. Here not visible in homogeneous condition. In heterogeneous we can separate the solution, but in homogeneous we cannot separate the easily. Better, now I will give you the example. There are two beakers are here. In one beaker I used to take water or salt. Okay, they water and salt the uniformly distributed there. If you dissolve salt and sugar, it is uniformly distributed. Okay, so that uniformly distributed, that mixture is known as homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture we can't see the component of salt because it is already dissolved in water. Okay, and next thing, we cannot separate salt and water from by normally. It will done by physically, and you can provide the heat. Okay, now the next thing, heterogeneous condition. In heterogeneous condition, suppose the water is here, you put the sand there, sand stable at the floor. Okay, then you will observe two phases are here, two layers are there, the upper layer and downside layer. That is known as heterogeneous solution. Okay, so here hope so clear. The heterogeneous or homogeneous. Heterogeneous solution are non-uniform composition, or homogeneous, that is uniform distribution. Beta, on the basis of homogeneous and heterogeneous condition, the mixture divided into three categories. Number one, solution. Number one, solution. What is solution here? The solution is also a homogeneous mixture. The solution is also a homogeneous mixture. Solution is also a homogeneous mixture. It is made up of two or more substances. Beta, solution example we will take here lemonade. What is lemonade? Nibu pani. Okay, in lemon water, for example of lemonade or soda water, usually we think of solution as a liquid, either a solid, liquid or gases dissolved in it. Beta, in live class I explained you all that day कि solution may contain liquid or solvent, and two things they are contained. First shall I finish my thing. A solution has solvent and solutes. What is solvent? Solvent that dissolve the other component in it, अपने अंदर जिसको dissolve कर लेता है, that is known as solvent. That is present in the large amount. What is solute? Whatever we are going to dissolve, whatever we are going to put inside. It may present in the lesser quantity. Beta, now see here, suppose in liquid, okay, we will add gas also, solid also and liquid also. liquid, two examples will be there. That is lemonade one. Suppose water is here, you are adding the lemon juice. Okay, so this is the example of lemonade. Suppose we are going to take the example of liquid and solid. So liquid, that is water, and solid, it may be sugar or it may be salt is there. If we will discuss about the gas, so liquid plus gas we will see in the soda water. Sometime you observe the fumes are coming from the soda water. So that type of fumes, that is made up of carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is mixed with the liquid and they form the solution. Okay, now what is the property of solution? Beta, first property you may write from the here only, that is homogeneous mixture. First property you can write here, homogeneous mixture. The second property, the particle of solution are smaller in size, so minute we cannot see with the naked eye. We cannot see with the naked eye. Do not scatter the beam of light. What is the meaning of here? Suppose here is the glass. In this glass, the solution is here. If you pass the light from the torch, the light will not pass through the solution. The light will not pass through this solution. That is known as no scattered beam of light. Cannot be separated solute particles. Okay, so here we discussed here what is solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solution has a solvent and a solute. Now what is solvent? Solvent, the component that the substance are going to dissolve, जिसके अंदर हम भिगोने जा रहे हैं. And solute, you are putting in the solvent. Okay, so solvent amount is more or solute amount is less. Okay, the properties of solution, if we will discuss, the particle of solution are smaller, we cannot see with the naked eye, do not scattered beam of light, and cannot be separated solute particles. So till here it may clear. In your book there is something, is few examples are given. A solution of sugar in water. A solution of sugar in water is, किसका composition है? Just remind that thing. I said water plus sugar. तो ये क्या हो गया? That is liquid or that is solid. तो LS solution. Okay, that is sugar is the solute or water is the solvent. Second example in your book, that is iodine in alcohol. तो बेटा iodine is also may be present in solid or may be present in the liquid form, but the alcohol is present in the liquid form. Aerated drinks means cold drink like soda water, are gas in liquid solution. They may contain carbon dioxide as a solute or water as the solvent. Here the last example in your book, the air is a mixture of gases and gases. Air is a homogeneous mixture of number of gases. Its two main constituents are here. The one is oxygen and the another one is nitrogen. Clear everyone? Now in the next we will continue this topic. The next topic in your book, it is given that concentration of a solution. But a concentration of solution means how much thing is dissolved in it. How much thing is dissolved in it. यदि आप देखो, आपने suppose you took 1 tumbler water. Okay, in 1 tumbler water you put so much sugar. There the amount of sugar is more in comparative to water. In comparative to water, so that is known as concentrated. ठीक है, the portion of solute and solvent can be varied. Okay, अब यदि उसी सॉल्यूशन में आप डाइल्यूट कर दो, उसको पानी का अमाउंट ज़्यादा कर दो, ठीक है, तो वो क्या सॉल्यूशन कहलाता है? डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन. Here now I am going to explain the concentration of solution. Concentration of solution is the amount of solute present in given amount of solution. Beta, if you will see the formula, so solute upon solution, solute upon solution. Okay, तो डलवा